Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKitClub. Today's project is inspired by the Moodboard, and we were asked to create an interactive solution for our pictures. And as you saw at the beginning, I changed the word happy. It was a very beautiful green color, but I don't want it to have it green, so I heat embossed it in white and added some glitter on top. And this watercolor set is from Prima, and we got it, I believe, 2 or 3 years ago in a color kit, and it's still my favorite watercolors to use. And I had the idea to create something in purple and pink, and the colors are not totally inspired by the mood board, but the stripes, they are inspired. And there's a picture with some, I can't really tell, maybe it's some clay rolls or something like that. And they were arranged in a row. And so I thought maybe I should go with that. But yeah, you can see I'm adding now some purple, some light purple, some bright pink, and some very hot pink, and some splatters. And I really love to use that type of watercoloring on my background paper. It's just looking very messy and artsy, and it's just not totally under my control. So I really like to do that this way. And I really love how the colors are mixing and blending into each other. And I have not primed that paper with gesso, just because I knew I don't want it to have such a long time to play with them. I just wanted to have some beautiful strokes on my paper, and I wanted to bring in some splatters. And for that, I don't need it to have the gesso on it. So now just bringing in the splatters, and then I will start to build up my layout. The pictures I showed you at the beginning, they are from my recent rehab time, and I had the luck, I was very lucky to find a group of awesome ladies, and we had 3 weeks together, and we spent each day together, and we had we had our free time together, and even the lunchtime and dinner, and we just had the best of time, and we loved so much. And I really enjoyed the time, and I miss them so much. So I thought it's time for scrapping these memories. And I also showed you that I have glued down my pictures to a piece of paper, and I just made a simple kind of a pocket or flip thing. You can open it up and you will find another picture, and you can flip it up again. And so the pictures are very similar to each other, but on some we are making some goofy faces, or someone is looking very weird. You know, it's that time when you want to have the perfect picture and everyone is just looking strange. So I also decided to add a few tone-on-tone things, and I also will bring in some black and white elements. There is a sheet of exclusive acetate or clear stickers, and I added them to white cardstock, and I will simply cut them out so I can use them as a die cut. And now I'm just looking through the ephemera pieces to the stickers, the puffy stickers. There's so much beautiful stuff. There's some Pink Fresh Studio things included, and there is something in purple and in pink. And so I have a few things to use. And first I wanted to bring in the word hello, but that word is in blue, and so I will not use it, but I really like how it's looking now on the screen. But as I was making the layout, I thought, nope, no blue today. So here you can see everything is glued down. I also added a piece of exclusive Pocket Life card behind my picture. You can't really see it, but there is it's a card with the pink and the black and white dot, triangles on it. Oh. So you can see all of the black and white stuff I'm adding to the picture, to my layout. I have added the flowers to some white cardstock, the butterflies, and also some little sayings. And now I'm just scattering them around my layout, or on the right upper corner, on the left no, on the right lower corner, and the, yeah, you name it, you can see it what I'm doing. I also added 2 exclusive vellum sticker butterflies. I added them to a little glossine bag just to have something behind it so that I can just move it around like a die cut. And now I'm just gluing everything down, and I really love how the black and white is popping against the bright colors on the background paper. And yeah, I'm just scattering the pieces around. I thought about adding the very light pink heart to my mix, but there wasn't the perfect place for it, and so I will keep it for the next page. And I am nearly done, so I'm just playing around with the little things, the word happy again, and special day, and the other sticker said, we had such a fun adventure, thank you for everything, and we needed this so much, because we took these pictures on the very last night we had together. We were out for our we went out for something to eat and to drink, and we just had the best of time, and it was very sad. The very next morning was very sad, so we needed to say goodbye, but we are still in contact, and I just love that memory and the pictures, and yeah. So now, bringing in the last little bits and bobs, I decided to go with the circle happy, because why not? Now we have 3 times of the word happy, but I'm totally cool with that. Bringing in the last flower piece, and then I am done. I will just add the date stamp and some animal dots, but I will do that off camera. So thank you very, very much for stopping by. I wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you soon, talk to you soon, and yeah, thanks for stopping by. That's it. Bye.